in the way of living, the precious jewel that attracts divinity and excellence. Mipham Rinpoche says, human wealth is like lightning, and the body is like a floating bubble, both embodying the nature of impermanence. Mipham Rinpoche also says in The Just King, the body is as fragile as a bubble. Glory and wealth are as fleeting as clouds in an autumn sky. However, worldly people are obsessed with fame and wealth, and very few truly understand the principle of impermanence. Master Hanshan says in the Song of Awakening the World, in spring we see the green of willows. In autumn we see the yellow of mums. Glory is just a midnight dream, while wealth the September frost. Therefore we should often reflect on the teachings of these great masters. If we do not place undue importance on our own bodies and external wealth, it won't be difficult for us to practice Dharma